Well, hello, how you doing? Good morning, V Gates. You have reached a 1030 S-bill with me, Scott. We're making a ultralight aircraft out of sticks and fabric and some epoxy and glue, a little bit of metal hardware. Minimax 103 part FAA regulation. Whole thing is gonna weigh 254 pounds when I'm done, supposedly. I think I'm gonna be a few pounds lighter. That's what I'm shooting for. With a little wiggle room. It's been, the world's done went around one time since I seen you last. Wondering where you been. Last time you were here, we got this fabric on the top side of the port wing. Looking really good. Got it ironed out to 250 degrees. Still got to do the final ironing at 350. The final tightening. But right now I'm going to put on some reinforcing tape. And we're going to tidy these ends up. But I got this 2-inch reinforcing tape, which is the same thing as the fabric. Just put it over edges where you have wood corners. Right here, right here, right here. And I still got to tuck in the cloth upside down the trailing edge. When I flip that over, we'll do that. But today, and this morning, we're going to put this on. Hope you're having a great day out your way. I know a lot of y'all are out of town. For me, we got people in Australia. G'day, mate. And I got several people down there. A lot of people here in the United States. Lithuania. How you doing over there? Lay it down like that. And we gotta soak it up. I know polyfiber doesn't say to put another layer on top, but I think that's the way to do it. Especially when I'm going through one fabric to another fabric. I want to get it nice and soaking wet there. And the brush, when it's wet, comes back and really does a good job of feathering in this pinking shear cut on there. I'll come back and even iron that down pretty good later. Guess what? You guessed it. You knew what I was going to say. It's a beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia. I mean, really a beautiful day. Mild, sunny. Just a good day the Lord hath made. Hope God's blessing you over your way around your house. He's making all your days beautiful. They don't always have to look beautiful to be beautiful. Although I do love a beautiful sunny day. Sky is perfectly light blue. Good to fly in. That's one of the reasons why I chose red for this color. You know, I'm doing an Iron Man thing. If you've seen all my little opening clips, they're all little renditions or possible painting schemes I'm going to do. and all of them are Iron Man, which is red with a gold accent. So I think that'll stand out good, either from above or below if you're looking at my plane. If you're above looking down, I'm not going to blend in with the green and the browns of the ground. And if you're looking at me from below, I'm not going to blend in with the sky or the clouds and all that. I'm going to be red. So it's kind of a safety thing. In fact, there's a lot of airplane traffic in this area. That's probably the one thing I need to worry about, is, if anything, is all the plane traffic. And we got the military around here too, big time. So you got to watch your butt when you're up in the air. You definitely want to be visible. There's some planes out there that are light blue and white. Hell, you can't, hazy day, you can't see them. I don't want that happening. I gotta wrap these ends and stuff too. them 2 pieces of tape on. Let me tidy this end up. I'm going to put another piece of fabric on this, and it's going to fold over the end here, come over to right here. All right, now I'm going to put on this piece of reinforcing tape along this corner, which is the root end. All right, I'll finish off this round part at a later time. After this stuff dries a little bit, I'm gonna have to heat shrink it and all that. Flip it over, tuck in the tail end right there, and a little more reinforcing tape here and there. Got a couple inspection rings to put on the bottom. I already put on the drain. And then got to do these ribs. I will do them when I get back. Might get to them this evening or so. Meanwhile, hope the rest of your day's a great day. I'm looking out the window. Man, is it beautiful here in southeastern Virginia. I ain't kidding, it's just gorgeous can be. Hope your day's gorgeous too. Don't forget, keep looking up. That's where gorgeous comes from. Take care.